Hi, I'm Dr. Vincent Belanzi. I want to talk to you a little bit about living congruent with your lifestyle. If something's congruent, you can superimpose it. It'll be an exact mirror. And if you're watching your lifestyle, if you're living congruent with that lifestyle, I believe that that leads you toward a healthier life. And I'm not just talking about preventing the headaches or the daily symptoms that some people undergo. I'm talking about living a lifestyle that's so effective that you avoid even the hint of a disease. There are times when the body responds with its immune system in the defense of your body. However, people don't have to spend their lives in sickness. People can spend their lives in health and wellness. And it comes from that congruent lifestyle. It comes from developing an approach where you're eating nutrients that communicate the right messages to the body, where you're physically active enough so your biological systems are all working. If you live congruent with your lifestyle, you actually end up creating a situation where you have prevented real disease. And there's an online course that I'm developing about living congruent with your lifestyle. If you go to recklesshealth.com in the future, the course should be out about August 2012. And I'm going to do several classes on how to live with congruency as far as your lifestyle goes in relation to not only physical health but mental health. If you're living a lifestyle that is producing a body that functions, and this is what we deal with in functional medicine, then you're living a lifestyle that doesn't incur any disease. People get diseases because of dysfunction. They're not living this congruency. Unfortunately, we've spent so many years teaching people as practitioners that what you need to do is recognize something early, or perhaps you have something happen as far as the way that your body's working. Your lifestyle is such that you're busy and you're not spending time looking for nutritious food and you're not active, and suddenly you create a disease situation. You catch something or something develops and you have to go see the doctor because you don't want to take it anymore. The symptoms have reached a certain level. This is really not the best approach. If you wait until a situation occurs, now you've got to deal with the situation. Now you're doing armchair quarterbacking after the fact. You're looking for a solution to a problem that could have been averted. But instead, we live our busy lifestyle, and the drug manufacturers tell us that, well, all you have to do is take this certain pill and it'll solve your problem. And it's something we get caught up in because we want an easy solution. The real solution is not to create the problem in the first place. I know this sounds elementary. I know that you know this. However, I run across so many people in my clinic that hadn't even thought about this in the first place. They live their life, things get worse, they get worse, they get worse until they just don't want to take it anymore. Perhaps they've seen other practitioners, and they finally come into our clinic at the Austin Wellness Clinic, and they're telling us about their experience. And I'm looking back and thinking to myself, why didn't we just avoid all this? Why didn't you just avoid all this? Not in a way of accusing them, just what could we have done or what could you have done, what could this person have done to not even experience the problem? And this is a real thing I'm talking about. I don't want to prevent cancer by finding it early and then referring you to an oncologist. I want you to prevent cancer, diabetes, heart disease. I want you to prevent these things because you've maintained a functioning body, because you allowed your body to have real food, you sought it out, you chose to put in the right things, the right communication came through, and your body was able to function. And in that functional state, the body does not get disease. So if you live your lifestyle congruent to health, if you follow certain practices, you will in actuality prevent the problem from occurring in the first place and not even need to consider seeing a practitioner for the treatment of a disease. Treatment is late stage. Treatment means something has happened and you don't want to take it anymore, and you've taken the action of going to see a practitioner hoping that they can play their superhero role. Unfortunately, it doesn't always work that easy. Most of the time it does not. The better strategy, the better plan is to prevent the problem in the first place. And this can be done. It's done day after day by people. And You've probably done it at certain points in your life, but then you get stressed, you get busy, you forget about what real food is, or you don't have time to prepare, you stop at fast food, you get busy, you're not physically active, and your body's going through changes. Your body's doing nothing more than to keep up with your lifestyle. So if that lifestyle begins to go in the wrong direction, then you're going to create disease. But as long as you understand that and you keep your lifestyle on track, you're going to avoid disease. You're going to avoid the need for treatment, for medicines, for hospital stays. You're going to prevent disease instead of just what we see in modern conventional medicine is finding something early so that it doesn't kill you. But the real answer is to create function by living in congruency. So look for the class. It's going to be called Congruent Lifestyle. We'll be putting it on the web. It'll be available. There will be a cost if you take the whole course. I'm going to do more of these videos though. Be happy to discuss things with you. We'll have videos on YouTube, have videos available to you so you can learn some of these concepts. But if you want to take the whole course, again, the site is just getting put together. It's called recklesshealth.com because I want you to live with reckless abandonment as far as your health goes. I want you not to consider the consequences. I want you to be focused on your health. To some extent. Let's be reasonable here. So this is Vince Belanzi, and I hope to see more of you. I'm going to be putting more videos again on the internet, talking about a congruent lifestyle, but also just discussing different topics. Some of these topics will be available to you at any time, and others will be a part of the course. So live healthy, learn to prevent. We'll talk to you soon.